town has weathered many storms, and I know Happy Harbor will have clear skies again before we know it.
Is everyone having a super day? Oh, I think we can do better than that. Is everyone having a super SeaWorld day? That's better. Welcome to Shamu's Happy Harbor. My name is Sam, and I'm so excited that all of you are here today to help us celebrate SeaWorld's 60th anniversary. Are you ready to help us celebrate? Perfect, because we are going to have the best day ever. But I need help finding all of my friends. And I know just who to call. My friend knows everyone from the past 60 years. He'll know what to do. Would you all like to meet him?
Hi, folks! I'm here. Sam, I've been looking everywhere for you.
I've been here the whole time. Where exactly did you look?
Mainly in the fish market. They're having a special on salmon.
Well, I'm so glad that you're here now because we have a lot of work to do. We have to gather up all of our friends and get Happy Harbor ready for the celebration. Oh no, Shamu, look! Happy Harbor has been damaged by the storm. What on earth are we going to do? We have our party today.
Oh, Sam, don't worry. If we put our heads together, we can fix this. And I know just the team to call. What would you think if I called on my friends? Would they get up and join me as well? Give me your hand and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends.
Who should we call that'll fix up this mess? I just hope that they answer our call. Shivers and Coral are coming along, so we don't have to do this alone. No, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do we need anybody? We need somebody to help.
It could be anybody. We want somebody to help.
Hi, Shivers.
Hey, I'm here and excited to be.
Yes, I can't wait to help you guys out.
It's Coral.
Hey, everyone! This will be so much fun! I'll always be there for my friends!
I get by with a little help from my friends. I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I just need somebody to help. Do you need anybody? I get by with a little help from my friends.
Gonna try with a little help from my friends.
Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends.
Yes, I get by with a little help from my friends.
I get by with a little help from my friends.
Oh, I am so glad the whole team's back together again. We have a big job to do.
You got it, Sam! What do you say, team?
I'm in, OP.
Me too. We'll have oceans of fun.
All right, team, let's get to work.
Hold on, everyone. You think you can do this without us?
No way! We would have missed this for all the fish in the world!
It's Pete and Penny Penguin.
We missed you!
I'm so glad to see you, Pete and Penny. Now, let's get Happy Harbor rocking and rolling.
We built this city. We built this city with all our friends. We built this city. We built this city with all our friends.
Say you don't know me or recognize my face. Say you don't care who goes to that other place.
Leaning in the hoopla, sinking in this fight. Too many broken things, eating up the night.
Oh, Wednesday plays the mamba. Listen to the radio. Don't you remember when we built this city? We built this city with all our friends.
We sure did.
We built this city. We built this city with all our friends. We built this city.
Oh yeah.
We built this city with all our friends.
Someone's always working to rebuild.
Yes, that's right.
This time it's all of us, so let's be strong-willed.
We just wanna dance here. Oh man, someone stole the stage.
They call us incapable. They write us off the page.
Oh, Wednesday plays the mamba. Listen to the radio. Don't you remember when we built this city? Looking great. We built this city with all our friends. We built this city. That's right. We built this city with all our friends. We built this city. Great job, everyone. We built this city with all our friends. It's just another great day.
Oh
On a
yeah.
fixable street.
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
we've almost got it.
We got it.
Oh, come on.
We've got the beat. Yeah.
We built this city.
Looking great, friends.
We built this city with all our friends. We built this city.
We built this city with all our friends.
Built this city.
We built this city with all our friends. Built this city.
Just like I remember.
We built this city with all our friends.
We did it, and it looks better than ever.
It sure does, LP. Great job, everyone.
Thank you, crew. It looks great. But I think we need to add one final touch. What's that, Shamu? When the generations coming of age, choosing a path, turning the page, another generation's watching to show the way. They're reaching, teaching, and by design, giving and receiving, passing it all down the line, making a connection, thriving side by side, season after season, ebbing and flowing like a tide, taking in the wonders, how I remember it.
And now we can start our celebration!
I am so glad you brought the gang back together again, Shamu.
Me too, Bee. What a special occasion.
I'm glad we get to share this amazing anniversary with all our friends and family.
You're so right, Opie. Spending time with the people you love makes everything better.
Well, you are my family. What would Shamu be without its crew? A mountain leads to a valley, an ocean leads to a shore. It's all combined and intertwined. We're all connected to more.
Some try to live like an island out there on their own, but soon they're sure to find no one stands alone.
We're one people, one planet, one ocean, brilliant and blue. One world with one dream,
And one chance to make it come true.
one moon above, 2 days apart, and all of us waking beneath the same sun.
So many creatures different from me.
Cover the earth and swim in the sea, and it all turns out we're one.
If we could see in the future, the world our children will find, our legacy will surely be the planet we leave behind.
We've all been taught as a child, you give and you'll receive. Well, look what we've been given. So a miracle will leave.
We're one people, one planet, one ocean, brilliant and blue. One world with one dream,
And one chance to make it come true.
one moon above, 2 days apart, and all of us wake beneath the same sun. So many creatures different from me,
Cover the earth and swim in the sea.
and it all turns out we're one. So many nations fill every land, speaking with words we don't understand. It all comes down.
It all turns out.
We're one people,
One family,
One planet,
one journey,
One ocean.
one message,
One future.
one circle, one people, one family,
One planet.
one journey,
One ocean.
one message,
One future.
one circle. Yes, it all turns out we're one.
we're one.
Wow! With everyone here, Happy Harbor has never shined brighter. Thank you.
We couldn't have done it without all our friends.
It's fun being with friends.
and when we work as a team, anything is possible.
We are so lucky we get to celebrate our 60th anniversary with the entire crew. Thank you, Shamu, for bringing us all together again.
I guess there's only one thing left to do.
Happy birthday to us!
Oh, Shivers, you are one cool bear.
Let's celebrate!
Yeah! Come on in, hear the sound. This is where it all begins. Feel the waves, gather round. This is where the future is.
Looking up to the planets in the sky, come down, can you look me in the eye? Can you feel the rhythm of the oceans ebb and flow? It's how you get from here to there. You can make a difference everywhere you go and all around you.
This is our time right now. Can you hear me calling? Come on in, hear the sound.
Hear the sound.
This is where it all begins. Feel the waves, gather round. This is where the future leads.
Yes, it does.
where the future lives.
Come on in, hear the sound. Yeah!
This is where it all begins.
Feel the waves,
Gather round.
gather round now. This is where the future lives. This is where the future lives. This is how it all begins.
This is Best Crew.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We all hope you have the best day ever here at SeaWorld San Diego.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Adios, amigos.
Thanks for joining the party.
Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Bye-bye!
It's been great to see all of you again. Thank you for helping us celebrate our 60th anniversary. Bye-bye, friends, and have a whale of a day.